Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the moist and flavorful banana bread. First, I preheat the oven at 350 degrees. Then, you lightly graze the loaf pan with soft butter or a vegetable oil spray. I don't have a tin pan, so I hope this glass one will work well. This is my first time to use this glass for my banana bread. I usually use the tin, but I use the ring one. Okay, in a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well together to combine the dry ingredients. Then you put a half cup of butter that is softened at the room temperature in the mixing bowl. And then a 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and then mix it well together. Then add 2 eggs, and then you mashed 4 to 5 overripe bananas. When this banana will look like this, so this is the best one for your banana cake. I pre-mashed 4 of them, so I'm just adding 1. I want to make 5 bananas because I want more banana flavor in my banana cake. Mashed it well. and then add to your butter mixture. Now add the flour mixture to your butter mixture and make sure you don't overdo it. Just soften it and make sure that the flour is well mixed well together with your butter mixture. Me, I like to have my banana bread with a bit chunky of the banana, so I don't mash it properly, so there is like a bits of banana in it. After it, pour it to the prepared pan. Make sure we don't get to waste this. And then put it in a preheated oven set for 350 degrees for about 60 to 65 minutes. So, ready to go.